Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you can you switch account on Discord mobile. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and update your Discord application. Once you've done that, simply go and open Discord, and here you can see that in the right bottom corner you will find your profile picture. Click on that, and on the top right you will find the option of logout. Click on that option. So you can see that only logout option. Click on three dots. There is no option to switch account. So Discord recently launched a new feature on desktop only where you can switch account, but currently it is not on Android or iPhone. So you wait for few days and that feature will be rolled out on mobile as well, and you can easily switch account on Discord mobile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.